Hello everyone, it's me again Edmond and welcome back to a new tutorials, tips and additional learnings about powerful Windows tricks and technique. In this video, I'll show you how to clean junk files or free up computer storage using the run command. In how to do that, and let's get started. On the first step on your computer keyboard, press the shortcut key Windows logo plus R. And here now the run command. So the next step you need to type this keyword Cleanmgr and next click OK. And here now the disk cleanup for the computer. So additional information, this process will permanently delete the selected files. Same process can be used for Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So on the description box, I'll be right there. Those files are safe to select and delete. Alright, so be careful guys to delete those files before selecting. So you need to recheck and view files. Click this view files. And if you see these files are those unnecessary information, so go ahead and delete. Alright, so selecting those unnecessary files, then after that, so the next step you need to click this cleanup system files. So click this one and wait for a few minutes to complete. So this cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on this computer. And another pop-up, so the next step you need to click OK again. So here click OK, and the next the disk cleanup. Then are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? So click this delete files and wait for a few minutes to cleaning the unnecessary files on your computer. So thank you guys for watching and hope you will learn again in these simple tutorials. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell notification to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.